So while installing any game using the Steam tool, you might be getting an error, no internet connection. And this error can be because of mainly the bad connection between the Steam client and the internet. So let's start with the troubleshooting and fix this problem. So close the downloading and then from the left hand top, click on the Steam icon. And here you will find an option, check for a Steam client update. This is the first recommended suggestion you have to apply. So click on it. And if there is any kind of available update, kindly go ahead and update the Steam client. If not, next what you have to do, click on Windows search, type cmd, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes, and here we have to run few network commands so that if there is any problem with the network, that can be easily resolved. So the first one will be netsh space winsock space reset and hit the enter key. The next one will be netsh space int space ip space reset. I will leave all these command in the description so you can copy and paste. Again hit the enter key, and the next one will be ipconfig space /flushdns. This will be flushing the DNS cache. So again hit the enter key, and now next we have to release the current IP address. So type ipconfig space /release. This will be releasing the current IP address, and then we have to renew and get a new IP address. So instead of release, we have to type renew. Alright, so that's it. Now you can close this command prompt. Again bring up the Steam client. Click on the Steam icon at the left hand top. Click on settings. From the left hand side, you have to look for downloads. In the downloads, scroll down a bit. You will find clear download cache. Click on it. And you have to click on confirm here. But before that, make sure that you remember the login credential, because the next time you will have to log in again with your username and password. So once you are assured that you know your login ID and password, you can click on confirm. And then it's recommended that you should go ahead and restart the computer, restart your modem or router, and check back. I'm pretty sure your problem will be fixed. But in case if this method also doesn't work for you, and still if you're getting the same error message of no internet connection, the next what you have to do, click on Windows search, type PowerShell, right click on Windows PowerShell, click run as admin, click on yes. Now here you have to run a script, and that script you will be getting in the pinned comment. You can copy it and make a right click here in the PowerShell window to paste it. Once you have pasted, now hit the enter key. Wait for some time, and in case if you get this kind of error message, then you don't have to worry, because this is a false positive message. And again, before running it, click on Windows search, type security, click on Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. Under virus and threat protection setting, click on manage settings, disable all these protection for a while. Once disable, again run the command, the same command, and it will ask you select download mode. So you have to go with the first option, so press the 1 key, again hit the enter key. Next it will ask you to enter the Steam app ID, and in order to get this, what you have to do, open the Steam application, right click on any of the game, click on properties. From the left hand side, click on update, and here you will find the app ID. So just make a note of it or type it manually. So I will type here 193.8090. So whatever is your app ID, you have to enter here and then hit the enter key. And after hitting the enter key, it will be automatically closed. In case if it doesn't close immediately, then you have to wait for a while until it gets closed automatically. Alright, now after doing this step, again you will have to go ahead and restart the computer, bring up the Steam application and check back. I'm very sure your problem will be resolved. And please let me know in the comment section which method worked for you. And also do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.